Yep, there he is, there's one there. Floating around the right places, stand a chance of playing with these. So much fun, I love these things. It's BCF Sound Tip for the week. We're chasing wintertime shallow water snapper, around 10 to 12 metres of water. And where I choose to fish, where I choose to stay and fish, is all about what I see on the sounder. Sit in a place in the boat where you can continually see what's going on the sounder. I run a Simrad Evo, 1 kilowatt transducer. Now you can use the side imaging to find fish, but in really gnarly reef like this becomes a little bit messy and hard to see. So I tend to run looking directly beneath the boat in my down imaging setups. And chasing snapper, what you'll find is every now and again, if they're around, a pack of 2, 3 or 4 fish will come directly beneath the boat, sometimes 2 to 3 metres up off the bottom, a big dark bold red line or arch on the sounder. If I start seeing that, I know I'm in the right spot, I'm going to hang around and wait for the action to liven up.